That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Gigutom na ba?
Dimulto na ko sa kagutom busa Presto Kalamig sa peanut butter filling Dili na hinigdamgo Busog lamig with Presto.
Ayaw nagpamulto sa gutom. Presto, busog sarap na.
Nadiskubrihan na nako ang the end sa katol sa sakit nga tutunlan. Sulmux throat spray na ang gamit nako karon. Dili lang muhupay sa sakit og katol nga tutunlan, tangtang pa gyud ang mga viruses o bakterya nga mo'y hinungdan ini. Maong end gyud ang katol o sakit sa tutunlan. Dali ra kaayong gamiton ang Sulmux throat spray. Isa ka lang ang spray nozzle, i-target og spray, kaduha hangtod ka 4 ka beses lang kada usa og tunga sa oras. Hangtod 3 ka oras ang pag-spray. Benzidamine hydrochloride plus chlorhexidine digluconate is the generic name of Sulmux throat spray. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Singing along to your favorite song at full volume feels good. Almost as good as the fully digital experience with Salmon Mode alone. Pre-approval in a minute, and you can apply online from anywhere. No travel, no paperwork, no long waiting. All you need is your phone. So maybe it's time for a new motorcycle? Download the app now. Salmon feels good.
Terms and conditions apply. Salmon Motor Loans is a product offered by Salmon Finance Incorporated, a licensed financing company regulated by the SEC with CA number 1241 and CR number CS 2019-16698. Salmon Finance, powered by the Salmon app, is the online lending platform for Salmon Finance Incorporated.
Kailangan ko mag-withdraw.
Himala May BPI dito
Pwede mag-withdraw, deposit, at mag-open ng account sa BPI Partner Store.
Isang himala
Partner stores are accredited cash agents of BPI. BPI is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Deposits are insured by PDIC up to 1 million pesos per depositor.
Pila-pilang win San Miguel pilang win Ilang beers lang May coupon na kasali Pila-pilang win San Miguel pilang win Ipil mo ang coupon Pwedeng may Gcash maka Pila-pilang win San Miguel pilang win Libo-libo ang may chance manalo ng more than 50 million pesos worth of Gcash kapag bumili ng San Miguel Beer Products. Join na! San Miguel Peel and Win promo. Get a chance to win Gcash with every purchase of 6 bottles or 2 1-liter bottles of any participating San Miguel Beer products. Visit our Facebook page for more details. Promo runs from August 1 to December 31, 2026 for DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0264 series of 2026. Drink responsibly.
Kaya ba ganyan?
Sige lang, Direk. Kayang-kaya. Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to.
Ang liwanag na nasa loob mo, pasiklabin with Cobra Energy Drink. May Immuniplus, B vitamins, taurine, ginseng at inositol. Dahil
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim.
Daniel Padilla po, Cobra Energy Drink. Para sa akin, pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo.
Ang kasanag nga ini ara mismo sa sulod mo. Pasingkala pagit ina sang Cobra Energy Drink. Kay para sa amon, basta may ara ka sini, wala kagid perdi.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufil Fernandez Banyok sa Straight to the